Using Capital One's virtual card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Capital One's virtual card. So this is how the normal virtual card looks. It is pretty much the same as the normal credit card. You can use it to make payments online by adding the card number, which should be in your Capital One app. And you can also use it anywhere, wherever you want. But if you want to use it in store, or you want to use it for the contactless payment, you can use this by adding this your virtual card to your wallet. If you're a Samsung or Android user, you can add it into your Google Pay. But if you are an iPhone user, you have to add it to your Apple Wallet. To add into Apple Wallet, you just have to open up your Apple Wallet app. There you have to tap on this plus icon, and you will see this page. Here you have to tap on debit or credit card, and it will automatically detect all the apps that have virtual cards in it. You just have to select the Capital One, and it will add it into your Apple Wallet. After that, you will easily be able to make payments using Apple Wallet from your Capital One's virtual card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Capital One's virtual card. Hope you guys find this very helpful.